Happy June! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries. Stop by Columbus Library or Saluda Library this month to pick up your kit to make a cork boat. Okay, so when you open up your kit, you will have 3 corks, 2 rubber bands, a toothpick, and you'll have a rectangle of foam. I've already cut my foam up a little bit, which is why it looks different. So to make our boat, first we're going to take the 3 corks and we're going to line them up, and then we're going to wrap the rubber bands around them. So this can be a little tricky. Might need a grown-up to help you. These rubber bands are pretty big, so I'm going to double them up. And let's see, stand my corks up like that and wrap it around. I'm going to do the other rubber band to make it nice and secure. Alright, so that's the base of our boat. Then we're going to make the sail. So if you want to cut out a triangle shape from your piece of foam, so you will need scissors from home. And if you have markers or stickers or anything you want to use to decorate it, that is up to you. And then we're going to put the sail into the boat. So you can decide if you want to put it in the middle or which side you want to put it on. You might also need an adult for this step. You're going to thread the toothpick, and that is a little bit sharp, through your sail. And then you're going to put it into the cork. And then you have an awesome cork boat that actually floats. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. This is our last take and make that we will have divided into the different age group. Starting in July, we're going to have a new program called Community Creations. You'll see a flyer for that after this video, which I'm very excited about because we're going to be doing community art projects and making crafts that benefit community organizations. And of course, summer learning is coming up. Starting June 10th, you can register for the summer learning program to earn brag tags and prize entries. And we also have kids programs every Wednesday, so stay tuned to the flyers at the end of this video and come see us this summer.